Yeah, I agree with you. It's just weird nowadays. You get those hot goalies and they just go crazy. Look at everyone talking shit about Bob and killed it with Columbus for a minute there. All right, should we get ready with this? We'll do box one. I'm gonna do this little giveaway and say thanks to everybody that's participated. Alright, just bear with me, guys. This is all new. I got this kind of set up. So we're gonna do the dice first, right? See how many times we gotta randomize everyone's name. So we're gonna do the, let's see, we'll probably do the teams first, 5. Four, 5. Don't make me nervous now, Jen.
Don't get nervous.
My lady's next to me. She's gonna sleeve for me. You gonna sleeve for me, babe?
Okay.
Santa Claus is in the building. My kid really thinks you're Santa Claus, Scott. Is that really Santa? I got a little Santa emoji, so every time you text me, it's like, Santa's texting you? Like, yeah, he's watching out. So we're gonna do this again for the names. If you guys want to trade or anything, oh, damn. 9 times. If you guys want to trade, I'll give you guys a minute to trade or whatever you guys want to do. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing here. Sorry, guys. All right, 9 times. 1. Ho, ho, ho. 6. I'm gonna print the sheet out too, just to make it nice and easy. So if anyone does have a question, all right, last time. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, let's see. I'll figure out how to print this out really quick. Haha. Make it nice and easy. I miss you too, demigod. Leon just entered the building.
Oh, snap.
You heard Jen, she said, oh, snap. I'm gonna print the sheet out and give you guys a second. So there's the sheet. Let me know when we're good. No rush. I'm gonna take a sip of this drink that I'm sure someone spit in.
Had a sip.
Oh, you had a sip of my shit? God damn, you can make your own margarita.
You didn't make me one.
It's because every time I make them, they're too strong for you. If anyone wants to trade, just let me know so I can write it down and confirm it. If not, let me give you guys a minute, and then we'll go. Leon. Hey, Leon, get me some prospects down there. Give me some autographs, bro. So I give away to these people. Give away to the fans. We need to plan a vacation so we come down there. All right, we good to go? Let's get it ripped and shipped and bang it out. Holy shit. The whole fucking thing's falling apart now. Sorry, it's a little crooked. My stand just busted on me.
Took a poop on you?
Yeah. The whole fucking leg just fell right off. I know Jade is playing with it. Love you, bye.
Always blame it on Jade when in doubt.
No, it's not when in doubt. It's for sure always Jade. I can't wait to go get this GoPro tomorrow so I can... I know, right? Leon made these burgers last year. It was ridiculous. Well, I gotta put some gloves on, right? This is some Bowman Chrome. Damn it, where are my gloves at? I've been wearing these gloves all damn day painting. Now I gotta put them back on. Alrighty. Good luck, everybody. Obviously, I'll call out the other names, but Christian Santana. There's a Santana. Miguel Emera. Bowman Chrome first. I hope we pull the auto. That'd be sweet. Monster crazy auto. Ado. Michael Bez. Novarti Marte? Dr. Tree calling Dr. Tree. What's that, babe?
I want to test the paint, can I?
I don't care if you test the paint. You doing something down in the house, actually painting is... Wow. Steph, did you see who you got, Steph? Nolan Gorman. Man, I hope we pulled something good for you guys. Blaze Alexander first. Steph, you got Atlanta and Chicago. I think there was a Chicago first. I don't remember the guy's name. Cubby. Come on, Otto. So anal on opening these packs. Be sweet if it was a nice auto. Brendan Rodgers. Evan White. Amaya? Is that the guy you were talking about yesterday, Kevin? You said he was really pretty good. Got this going still. 2 boxes if we want to break them. 18 a spot. Free shipping. Come on, auto. Give my people what they want. Last pack mojo. Please. Slab stocks, right? Plays cards. Man, I got my cards coming in the mail, but I seen my results today. Woo! I was so happy with all those 10s. Man, I don't think there's an auto, guys. I'm sorry. What a weak box. Weak ass box. I don't like sugarcoating shit, but that was poop. That was poop dick. Apologize about that crappy box, guys. Let's random off this Rice Hoskins to someone. I'm thinking this next break we do is the rest of these Bowmans with what do you call it? The box of optics, so we're guaranteed an auto. Yeah, it happens too much with me for some reason. I don't know why. Oh well, I apologize, guys. That's why I'd rather break like 5-6 boxes so there's more chance. We'll do this 5 times. I think Kevin agreed with me earlier. I was talking with him. Maybe 10 box break. Let's see what do we got? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 box break with 1 optic, so it's guaranteed an auto in the optic. So we're gonna randomize this 5 times, and who's ever on top gets the gold rice. Good luck. 1 again. I just want to see Herb Brooks' face every time I hit again. Again. And 5. BK Card Collector. Alrighty, guys. I appreciate the hell out of you guys for that first break. I'll get everything packaged up and shipped in the next day or 2. And figure out this next break. If you guys want to do like 8 boxes in the optic, that'd be fun. Do something better or whatever you guys suggest. I'm down for whatever. So, alrighty, guys. Have a good one. It's movie night with the lady now. Take it easy. Peace.